What's up, everybody? Andrew here with Manuela. How you doing, Manuela? We're gonna look at an apartment here in Castropol. It's on a high floor, so I'm assuming it's gonna have a nice view. And it's prime for remodeling, but excited to see this one. All right, we're here in the apartment, and as I turn this around and fix the white balance here, you can see that this is open concept. Even though this has not been remodeled, it is about 30 years old, this building. You can tell that it was built really nicely. And back then they would segregate the kitchen with like the living area. So here's the kitchen right here and the laundry area. You could actually put like the stackable washer dryer there if you wanted to knock that out, or leave that there and put the washer dryers over here or even over here. Yeah, you've got the water line, the gas line, and then behind the kitchen here, you've got a maid's quarters, which is actually pretty big. This whole entire apartment is 187 square meters, which is just about 2,000 square feet, so it's pretty big. Like I said, this one's prime for remodeling, because what I would do is I'd knock down these walls, because you're able to. These aren't load-bearing walls. And maybe even knock down that wall just to open up this whole space out to the living area. And you could even knock down this wall here, right there, and open up the kitchen. So this is a giant kitchen. I mean, who needs a maid's quarters, right? That was a thing of the past. All right, so we're in the living area. The kitchen's over there, entrance is over there. You've got these amazing views, because we are in Castropol, which means that we're on a little hill. It's not too inclined, we're not too far up the hill. So walking down and up is not too bad. Again, views to the west over there. More living space over here, and then it's kind of like a den here that shoots into the balcony here. Really nice view. You get a nice breeze up here too. If you left all your windows open, you'd probably get a great cross breeze from over there and around this way. Okay, so let's go into the rest of the apartment here. So here's a social bathroom. It's I guess a shared bathroom for the rooms that don't have a bathroom. It is a full bath, so that's one. Let's go back here. Here's another bathroom. This one's a half bath. We're back in the living area. So this is why it could complicate things if you're looking at the vertical video without the narration, because as you can see, there's a wall, there's a hallway there, and then there's also, you know, the living area here. So we've got view from this window. Obviously, you'd probably want to change out these windows. They're just old. And this is the room here. Closets over here. Let's check this closet out. Yeah, this is basically, you're talking about tearing down this whole thing and building on top of it. Storage area here. Looks like linen closets here. Yeah, looks like closets here. And we're going over here. Another room, no bathroom in this one. This one has a distinct view because it goes to the north and the east over here. And the room. These are pretty big rooms. This is not like a 10 by 10 foot room. It's bigger than that. I can definitely tell. You can easily fit queen size, maybe king size in every single room here. And this looks like the master. Yeah. So including the maid's quarters, this has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and this is the master bath here. This has a light, yep, it turns on. This is master bath. You've got the closet space here on the left, and then the bathroom here. So very interesting apartment. I love the fact that you have so much space. 187 square meters, which is about 2,000 square feet. You can knock down these walls. I mean, literally, why do you need to divide the living space with this little hallway here? I think you could easily knock down this wall, knock down all of this here, and make this one giant living space here, and integrate the kitchen. There's the owner. Integrate the kitchen by knocking down those walls and maybe making an island over here. But you could easily make this your dream apartment. Let's go back out and look at the balcony with the view. Now, there's no amenities in this building, no pool, no. The amenity is the location. We are in Castropol. We're walking distance to Provenza, which is over there. Walking distance to Barrio Manila, which is over there. Walking distance to Parque del Poblado, which is right over there. And walking distance to Premium Plaza Mall, which is right over there. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it's pretty awesome for a remodel. If you've got the patience, if you've got the contacts here to do it, you can really make this your own. And on top of that, you can do 30-day rentals here. You can't do dailies, but you can do 30-day rentals. So when you're not in town, you can rent this one out, or you could just make it your dream place and live in it and check out the view.